It's probably not the best day to fly, but you know, I got this digital stuff, so I'm gonna send it. Let's see what happens. Let's hope I get my quad back. Ah! Yeah, it's pretty windy, but you know what? We're gonna fly anyway. We'll just have to be careful. We'll manage risk, and we'll have fun. Okay, that was legitimately the craziest winds I've ever flown in. I mean, Jesus. At some points, my quad was just hovering in the air, even though it was like at a 45-degree angle, there was so much wind. But that's the great thing about FPV, the quad will still handle it, you know? Anyway, a lot of fun, but a little bit too windy. And I mean, it's no fun if you're trying to make a video or something, forget about it. The footage is useless, right? So shaky, but I don't know, I figure if I can fly in this weather, I can fly in just about anything. Anyway, time to find someplace calmer to fly. See you later, guys.